Hey guys, if you don't know me, if you've never seen me in your life, or maybe you have, that's fine. My name is Leia Mansour, a rising junior at DHS, and I hope to become your 2022-2023 Executive Board Art Chair for the DHS Student Council. What is Art Chair exactly? Well, that's a simple question. Art Chair is the driving force behind the designs, layouts, advertisements, and artistic values for the events hosted and held by DHS. An example of what I do would be designing the layout or blueprint for a school dance like homecoming, or maybe constructing and designing an entirely new event for all of us to enjoy. But you're all probably wondering what would make me so qualified for this position, and I wouldn't want to bore y'all with the classic 30-second spiel of me just praising myself based on what I solely think. So how about some outside opinions?
I've known Leia since we were 7 years old. I've been lucky enough to watch her grow into the person she is today. She's the most trustworthy and responsible person I know. She has always been incredibly creative, and it shows in both her personal life and her school life. She has so many great ideas that she's able to turn into a reality. Whenever she plans something, it's usually very well organized.
Leia is one of the most hardworking, nice, funny, amazing, responsible people I know. And she's always been there for me as a friend and someone I can rely on. And I know she'd kill it as someone you guys can rely on as your art chair. And she's totally not holding me hostage right now. So vote Leia!
First of all, she's very detail oriented. So she'll get everything done very precisely and amazing. She's very responsible, and she will literally execute everything to her best ability. And not to mention the fact that she takes after me, and I like to consider myself very artistic, and she is also pretty artistic in a sense. I can't give her all the credit, but I believe y'all would benefit a great deal by having her as your art chair.
If you actually do happen to know me personally, you'd be well aware of my work ethic for school and the differing school projects that come from it. It's honestly a difficult feat for me not to go above and beyond for any of the assignments assigned to me. If I have an image of something unrealistic being presented forth as my final product, I will do absolutely everything in my power to make that next to impossible process a reality.
2 versus 1? 2 versus
Regarding some of the things that may have caught y'all's attention more so than the others, designing school dances and their layouts is something that I would particularly excel at. Firstly, I have access to multiple digital programs specifically designed for these types of projects and floor plans, for example, the Pecan Planner program. Not only would this make things more convenient for planning and executing, the process in actually constructing these plans would be a smooth sail, since every step and detail would already be concise due to the planning. As for the ideas actually going to be put into and implemented into the designs, I will not hesitate to reach out to any of you, my peers, for anything you'd love to see in prom, HOCO, club and sports apparel or merch, or anything else which would make our experience here much more entertaining and magical. So, please consider to
Vote for Leia!
Vote for Leia!
Vote for Leia!
Vote for Leia!
vote for me, Leia Mansour, as your 2022-2023 DHS Art Chair for Student Council.